From the time that we take our first tentative steps in kindergarten till the time we graduate, there is just one goal in life, a job that is worthy of us and work that guarantees satisfaction. For an area that is given so much importance, isn't it strange that we, especially in India, give so little thought to the safety of our workplace and to the need for innovations that can achieve a safe, healthy and thriving work atmosphere? You only have to take a look at the numbers to understand the current story. The International Labour Organization estimates that some 2.3 million workers around the world succumb to work-related accidents. This corresponds to over 6,000 deaths every single day. Worldwide, there are around 340 million occupational accidents and 160 million victims of work-related illnesses annually. So without a doubt, it's time to get our act together, and thankfully there are several ingenious companies that are paving the way in keeping their workers and employees safe and protected at work. Over the next half hour, we'll meet some companies who are making sure that human life is never at risk in the value chain. In our quest today, we are pursuing zero accidents at the workplace, zero health hazards and zero fatalities all over India. While many of us sit in the comfort of an air-conditioned office and clock in regular hours at work, spare a thought for the soldiers who put their lives at risk serving at India's borders. These soldiers battle not just threats to our security but also weather extremities. With temperatures at the height of the Siachen Glacier dropping down to as low as -50 degrees, how do we ensure that our brave hearts are equipped to handle extreme temperatures? Or that the hundreds and thousands of workers who work in similar work conditions of heat and cold throughout India are similarly protected against these temperatures? Well, here is one innovator who is a pioneer in the field. Take a look.
The scorching heat of the sun, freezing cold winters has never been favorable for soldiers working in extreme climatic conditions. Similar is the plight of industrial workers who often struggle with the vagaries of the weather.
Basically, in India and elsewhere in the world, workplace safety is one of the key things that is coming up rapidly. See, previously you would not see helmets in construction sites. Now they have become mandatory. Similarly, now temperature would also be mandatory in near future, because most workplace accidents happen because of your muscle fatigue or lack of muscle coordination or lack of judgment. Now one of the main reasons for this is temperature. If you are not comfortable, then your brain is not doing its job. There is extra load, which means it will lead to more accidents. So that is how our technology will come in place. It will increase the workplace safety.
Bringing tremendous relief for such people operating in extreme temperature conditions is the innovative Climacon technology developed by MIT graduate Kranti Kiran Vistakula.
Basically, the technology provides cooling and heating on demand. So we can go anywhere from 0 degrees centigrade to 100 degrees centigrade.
As the saying goes, necessity is the mother of invention. While Kranti was pursuing his master's degree at MIT, his own thermal discomfort inspired him to create this technology.
While going to the class, it used to be very cold, so I had to put multiple layers. So once I went into the classroom, all the classrooms were centrally heated. which means I had to take those multiple layers off. So that caused me a lot of discomfort. Then at that point an idea triggered in my mind, why can't there be clothing which can basically act as a portable AC, so which can heat or cool on demand.
And he was inspired to come up with a product that could reduce the discomfort of soldiers and industrial workers who were at the mercy of harsh climatic conditions.
So these jackets have been tried at Siachen, and it's so cold out there, they don't even feel like going out. But by wearing our jacket, they are able to comfortably go out and come back and do their job.
The technology incorporates efficient heat transport mechanisms that can add or remove heat to provide thermal comfort to the body. It was created using adaptations of the principles of Peltier effect.
So what we have done, we have adapted the Peltier technology, and the heat sink what we have developed is very light. So what it does is, it converts the heat into chemical energy. So basically it breaks the bonds of the chemicals, the hydrogen bonds and all kinds of bonds. Those bonds act as a heat dissipation mechanism. Typically what people do is they use fan or some sort of liquid circulant. In this mechanism, our technology does breakage of bonds.
Climacon technology is available in the form of Climaware range of products for personal use. They are also popular with the armed forces as well as healthcare and industrial sectors.
Current focus of the company is in healthcare. For example, if you have a carpal tunnel syndrome or a wrist fracture, so we have a wrist brace basically that cools and heats, and basically post-operatively it provides cooling therapy, and after that it provides heating therapy. And there is another thing called contrast therapy, where you can cycle the heating and cooling.
Ultimately, the necessity to embrace and implement this innovation is because it generates zero risks and zero accidents.
User can control the temperature to his comfort, as well as the timing, which is the time for which he is getting heating and cooling, which results in zero workplace accidents as well as zero health risks.
We all know that a safe work environment is key to improving work culture and employee performance. We can even make a business case for safety, as increased performance certainly leads to greater profit margins. Thanks to technology, companies nowadays are leveraging advanced operation techniques to implement workforce safety for an added competitive edge. Emami Paper Mills understands the importance of adopting safe practices for employee safety. Let's have a look at how they are ensuring zero injuries for their employees while providing them maximum dexterity at work.
Hundreds of employees line outside Emami Paper Mills in Balasore every morning, waiting to get their security clearances and start their shift at this factory where machines roll out reams of paper 24/7. Sanjoy Mohapatra is also one of them. He has been working here for the past 16 years, knowing that he is in safe hands.
It was just to mask the be खराब होगा longevity कमी जो हम सेना mask देगा तो काम करेगा.
Following precautionary measures to ensure employee safety is the motto at this factory. Protective gear at various levels of the factory floor is the norm.
You are coming for working and you are returning back safe. So all arrangements, all precautions are required to be done at the workplace for not meeting with an accident. The employee should be taught what he has to do, and even if an employee is likely to make a mistake, like for example, if an employee is working on the top roof of a building and he is confident that he will not fall down, but still the safety officer, the manager has to make sure that you are covering that area with a safety net.
From sorting of recycled paper, which is the first step in production of newsprint material, to working the heavy machinery that reduces it to a pulp, safety measures are followed by the employer and the employee.
Most of the people, they have fatal injuries by falling something on the head. So the safety helmet protects their head. Hand gloves are used where there is heat. Anybody who is working in a heat area whether it is connected to a steam line or a steam cylinder or in a boiler or welding or gas cutting. So there the hand gloves will protect it. There is a specification that anywhere where there is more than 80 decibel noise, the earplug has to be used so that his ear is safe. In a paper mill, generally, you know that here we are using waste paper. So waste paper is likely to have some type of dust while packing or while cleaning. So you have to use the dust mask so that your lungs are protected. Your safety shoes will protect by having any foreign material falling on your feet, avoiding any sprain, slippage or falling of any chemical on your feet.
The raw material in any paper mill is treated with a host of chemicals before it can be converted into a newspaper. And the safety processes at Emami ensure that employees handling these chemicals are well protected.
The third world countries and maybe in some part of India also you will find many of the industries don't give priority for the safety. Safety has to be included in the agenda as a part of the total production program. Everybody speak about the zero accident. That means nobody wants any type of accident. So this company Emami Paper Mill, we are certified by TPM from Japan, where the concept is that it has to be zero accident. So we work towards that.
One of the biggest dangers lurking around in any paper mill is that of fire. And with paper lying around, it has the potential to spread quickly and fiercely. Keeping this in mind, Emami conducts fire drills frequently to ensure maximum safety in such eventuality.
एक आदमी को वो जब काम करने आता है, कहीं भी जाता है, अगर सेफ्टी नहीं रहेगा तो उसको आदमी घर में वेट कर रहे हैं, वो रिटर्न आएगा तो उनका पेट पूजा होगा, वो चलेंगे, गुजारा करेंगे. इसलिए सेफ्टी बहुत ज़रूरी है. इधर जैसा हो रहा है और दूसरा भी कहीं भी प्लांट हो तो वो ज़रूर होना चाहिए, बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है.
With measures and processes safely in place, Emami Paper Mills is on a quest for zero workplace accidents.
It's time for a short break, but don't go anywhere. Fighting against spontaneous accidents to guaranteeing zero deaths while dealing with unpredictable weather conditions, we have more on how innovations are helping to reduce risks for an efficient workforce.